The first one up is a male bottlenose dolphin introducing himself with a spin, Cito. And next to Cito, let's meet the youngest male bottlenose dolphin. This is Sam. And last but definitely not the least, another male bottlenose dolphin introducing himself with a lovely flip, Loki. Great introduction there. Now our friends are bottlenose dolphins or Tursiops truncatus. They are very friendly animals. In fact, they love to welcome you all with a friendly wave hello. You can wave one back, guys. I'm sure they love that. But whales and dolphins are not fish, are they? No, of course not. They are warm-blooded, air-breathing mammals just like you and me. But how can we tell? Well, first, their tail flukes are the main motor that powers them when they are swimming. And that tail moves up and down and not side to side like a fish. Now, show them how it works, guys.
Galing!
Very nice. Now dolphins breathe air, but how do you think they do it? Well, they use the blowhole on top of their head. Listen. Great. And the blowhole is conveniently located so they don't have to lift their head out of the water to breathe. It has a lid in it that opens and closes so no water gets inside. Now they also use the blowhole at the top using a variety of sounds like click, squeak, squawks, and whistles. Listen. What a lovely song from the sea. And did you know that each dolphin has their own signature whistles, just like the names, and that's different from anyone else's. And right now, let's take a closer look at those fins. Those two fins on either side of their bodies are called the pectoral fins. They use those to steer themselves when they are swimming. And the fin on their back is what we call the dorsal fin. And that is what they use to stabilize themselves in water, much like a keel on a boat.